It amazes me how many times we'll have younger to middle-aged people come in and tell me they're still doing squats, still doing deadlifts with heavy weight. They might be doing a lot of leg press or single leg extensions, but the weight's kind of heavy. Then we run them through a functional test and find out they can hardly squat on one leg. They don't have the hip, knee, or foot stability to go through that motion and control it. They can put 400 pounds on a squat rack, but they can't do a single leg squat. That's just not right. What's happening is they're compensating with the wrong muscle groups to get the job done. As we reteach those mechanics and all of a sudden they start being able to do that single leg squat, they understand how much that they're overcompensating in the other lifts and why they continue to have low back problems. So any of these exercises, we need to start at that base. Do the reasonable goals. If you can't do a single leg squat, why are you doing a heavy 2-foot squat? So we're going to build our way up, start the progression, get better, improve, and then get to the heavy lifts if that's what you want to do.